Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing the best collapsible shopping basket on the market, the CleverMade Collapsible Shopping Basket, Ocean 3 PK. Whether you're a seasoned grocery hauler, a college student in a dorm, or someone just looking to tidy up your space, this product might just be the storage solution you never knew you needed. Right off the bat, these baskets come in a beautiful, ocean blue and are made entirely of 100% recycled polypropylene plastic. Each basket is lightweight at just 2.2 pounds but has the muscle to hold up to 25 pounds of your groceries, tools, or gear. Their smooth plastic finish and sturdy construction make them perfect for daily use. Measuring 17.5 inches long, 11.25 inches wide, and 9.12 inches tall when open, they provide just the right amount of room without being bulky. And the magic? They collapse down to just 2.25 inches in height, making them incredibly easy to store under a bed, in a trunk, or stacked in a closet. The CleverMade Collapsible Shopping Baskets are more than just storage containers, they're versatile utility tools. Perfect for grocery shopping, especially if you frequent bulk stores or farmers markets. They're also great for organizing everything from sporting goods and office supplies to dorm essentials and pantry items. The smart interlocking design allows them to be stacked up to 3 crates high, whether open or closed. Just push the short sides inward from the bottom to collapse. It's fast, intuitive, and satisfying. What sets this product apart even further is its eco-conscious construction. These baskets are made from recycled materials, giving a second life to plastic and cutting down on the need for disposable bags or flimsy cardboard boxes. If you're looking to live greener without sacrificing convenience, this is a win. Let's talk real-world use. You can keep a couple in your car for spontaneous grocery trips or store runs. Moving apartments or organizing your garage? They'll handle your tools, books, kitchen supplies, you name it. Their ergonomic handles make carrying easy even when fully loaded. Unlike fabric totes, these stand upright, so your items don't get crushed or spill. And when you're done, collapse them, slide them under a seat, and you're on your way. At $54.99 for a 3-pack, you're paying under $20 per basket for a reusable, durable, multi-use product that looks good and functions even better. Whether you're buying for convenience, space-saving, or sustainability, the CleverMade Collapsible Shopping Basket delivers. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and eco-friendly shopping and storage solution, this one's a no-brainer. Grab yours now and upgrade how you carry and organize your essentials. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.